Hello everyone! Something new is coming to kg-pharma. In just a few hours we are launching our completely redesigned website on a new domain, roadtipsystems.com. And it represents more than just a digital update. This year, kg-pharma celebrates 20 years of expertise in R&D tablet presses. For 2 decades, we have been supporting pharmaceutical innovators worldwide with precision tablet press solutions for formulation development and small batch manufacturing. Now it's time for the next step. Our new website reflects who we are today. More innovative, more connected, more focused on knowledge and collaboration.
You'll discover a completely new user experience, deeper technical insights into our R&D tablet presses, a brand new Media and Insights section featuring machine videos and expert articles. And then, what's next? Where more innovations will come soon.
And for the first time, we're introducing kg-pharma tablet compression courses in Sweden. Hands-on seminars designed for engineers, R&D specialists and pharmaceutical professionals.
See you
Online.